In this video, we'll talk about how to make your Coleus plant bushier and have a lot of colorful foliage in it. So let's get started. Coleus is a tropical plant which needs humid environment and it does not like hot or dry weather. So make sure the soil it is planted in is always moist and well drained. It thrives well if placed in shaded area, but to achieve beautiful foliage color, you need to place it in an area where it can get morning 1 to hour direct sunlight or evening or afternoon sun. It has spiked flowers which usually appear in summer. These flowers give additional beauty to these Coleus plants. If you want to encourage new growth, you can pinch them off. To do so, select a full grown flower and just pinch it off from the bottom. Also, to encourage new growth, keep pinching off younger shoots from the plant. Videos, subscribe to Thebloomingtales and press the bell icon to receive the notifications. Happy planting!